you need how to open. You need some tape, any kind of tape, and then this one, fly. This one for opener. You can use this one. Okay. How to open? All right. Not complicated. Now here. Let me here open. You need to keep this. This is a mat. It's a very good one though. Okay. You can take this out. Take that out and tape this. You can clean by with alcohol it on. Just tape. You tape to protect this. Okay. Tape this. Protect this. And use this fly. Try to open it. See right here. Keep moving. Try to protect this so don't make it damage. See, so easy. Pop it out. Right? So open this. See, it's clean. You open this and put this one right here because you got to open right here. I want to tape to protect the glass right here. Okay. Because you need to open this guy right here. You see? You need to use this right here to open the bottom slowly. See? And put the tape here to protect the glass. Okay, slowly. Slowly, and then you turn a little bit later on. Open here. I think this one better, huh? It's moving a little bit. Okay, moving a little bit. You can open easier. You can go in here easier. Go in, see the bottom, go sideways. This way I just try to open it slowly. It's not hot, so be careful. Just open slowly. I break the glass already, see? So be careful, don't break it. I'll break it, so I need to sand right now. This one. You this for something else. Okay, be careful right there. It's easy to break. I make this one already, it's good. You can use it, refill this. See right here, this one, I open slowly. But this one break, I don't know how. Because maybe on video. So maybe on video, so I have to make this different. Right now I have no choice, but I have to send it out to you for something else. Send it out, using the name, put some perfume in there, so a couple sticks, look good. Okay? It's okay. Okay? Look at this. I use this to send it out. Okay? And you can use for in the bedroom for decoration or put some perfume in there. See? look good now. Clean it up a little bit. See right here? That's it. Clean it up. Not bad, huh? See? This for perfume bottle. Put it out and use it. This one you can hold this right there. All right. Oh no, you can put back this and put the perfume in there. All right, that's all I can do. Okay. Or you can use the each 4,000 clue here and use it. Look at this for your decoration piece. Your clue right now. Okay. I put the W40, I mean EW4, and then see what happened. Let's put here and some perfume in there. Okay, and you can now open and put the cap back. Look at this, get in. All right, look good, right? I like it though. Okay, not dry yet. See this one. Start to open because it's not dry yet. I need to hold on this. Okay. Let's sit overnight and clean it up later. You put some perfume in there and put in your bedroom. Look very nice. See? Right there. That's a good picture right there, okay? Done. Ta-da! See? Nice, huh?